I make that video, yeah. Cause we not do this for likes or nothing. Yeah, not youth. They come a foreign and girl take them for idiot. You see me? And the reason why some girl take on for idiot, because you don't know how to be a man and go out, they go look it for themselves. Now it depend on some girl and a be babysitter for some blood girl picking away. I don't even honor the father and all of them things. They are phone picking of them on the half back of Jamaica. Not even calling and not calling a baby mother and say, oh me with the mother. And yet still most of them come here, I clean it and I sleep with a dog asleep all in a black bed with you know. And I want to go on like so when I'm a bad man and think when the girl take on for idiot. You see me? And I have to be a thugs or a gangster, whatever you want to call it. Because you want to see a tiger in your nature. No girl can go around you know. That's why I have to big up all of the really hard man them. We have a real woman around him. You see me? Some woman are educated, independent. Some woman where you know say yeah, anything you can look on them and say you be, you know say, this is what I want to do and this is what we are going to do. And them have you back 100%. And don't get me wrong. You have some white girl where them have a whole heap of picking for Jamaican. And them feel say them a look man for settle down with. The man not go settle down with them. Because every which part dance there. And there's them there night time, every Saturday night or whatever time. You see me? Them girls don't have time for going on them brain and think. Some of them have to go like therapy because the way up. Because from them a little child, them come up with charmer. And when them see some real yard man and thing and them come around and see the man them and thing. You see me? Show them love and thing, them try to go on like say them want disrespect and thing. But I'm telling you this boy, youth. Don't make no girl go on like say them want style, you know. Even when them have them own house and cars or whatever them want have. Be a man and stand up on your own 2 feet. Go out, they go do they do. No matter where you have to go out, they go do. As long as you are bringing
comment your thoughts, like, and follow feed the latest Jamaican news
enough
as it
right
drops.
now, you know. They even can talk, you know. Enough boy can't talk. And when the man them friend upon phone and talk, them are the most gangster and all of this. And when the woman say, oh yeah, yeah, me go walk the dog there. I have to go walk it. Don't get me wrong, you know, we love animal, you know, but me not about me I said, me never grow in a system where me have to sleep with dog and dog lick my mouth. Because we never grow so. Dog sleep outside. You see me? Yeah. And the way how me know it go as a blood yard man, when they take up a woman with her picnic them and think picnic if you have bad manners, if a girl have manners, you don't stay around them picnic there. You see me, because we love picnic said way. But picnic if you have manners, that's what we learn from our elders. Our mother teach it, that's sitting there. So enough boy come all a foreign and thing. And sitting and the woman take them for idiot. For dollar them hurt, the woman take it from them. You see me, and don't get it wrong when I bash woman, because you have some real woman where sometimes the man not work and thing and them just look at them and say, yeah, yeah, me babes, see some money there. Happy yourself, send that to your family at Jamaica. You see me? But guess what? Them don't know the mindset where you have as a yard man. Because if you're family orientated, you don't know, so you have to make life youth. And sometimes I around some woman and thing and you open up and show them your plan, what you want to do. Them look down upon you like say, yo, you eat that. You can't make it happen. You feel me I say? That's how I tell a man say, if I go back broke tomorrow morning, I still give God thanks because I know where me I come from and I know how I used to dig the road. That's why I say I big up all of the real blood clot gangster them. No matter which way you want to come from, whether they used to sell bag juice, donut, anything. You see me? And make sitting out of yourself. We not depend on people. You see me I say? So youth, this is a message for all of the man them. Sometimes some girl come to Jamaica and think I see them live lavish. Hey, you want to see where they live. Them girls don't go live for clothes and party. Them have a dime to them name. And you see the real woman, she'll make sure tell us her priority come first. So you have to go in your heavens as a man and say, I hear me, oh, a boss lady. So I work with fear program. Because if you associate yourself with people that have good mind, it bring you success in a life. If you surround yourself with some people where they never have a job in them life as profession, but yet still they are the one that thought they know the most. Them girl they lackadaisical to the system. Enough of them breed as a business because they want to collect baby money. So that's why I have to say, yo, salute all of the real women them out there where they don't say them a hustler. You feel me I say? When I say every morning them get up and go to work. And them man stays a boom and do the same thing too. And I like some little pull. I come around and you see me upon corner with man and them then a pre-man and a chat man as yard man. We are real authentic Jamaican. Every garrison represent for we and we represent for the garrison them. Real wide. When if you have 100 man round we, if you think positive, you see me, I have to motivate we. Because we are self-made. I will motivate yourself, I will motivate others. So youth, it doesn't matter what I got you in a life. Or when some girl thrown out of them place, sleeping on a car, man, and figure it out, man, and then you see when success come, you're not going to regret it. And that's a code. It doesn't matter what you do, sell what you sell, but be careful. Because every hustler, there are things and times catch up on you at times, but guess what? Just do the right thing. You see me? Because life are the greatest. And anything when you do it without no fear. And when some girl know why you see your own pitney, you laugh. But guess what? Make them get to them get. Because you're a real Jamaican. You see me? And some girl go and tie down some man and when them say jump, them ask how I and think. You don't be no yes man. Be a leader. Be your own dan. Your own boss. Always, even if you're not educated, street smart. And that a code.